My friends, this is Ian again with another short video. This is another update and also a reminder. Okay, my friends, now our tools are becoming really, really popular among the affiliate marketing world. We're seeing more and more of our tools, our splash page builder, our capture page builder, and our banner builder, and so on. We're seeing them all over the internet when it comes to advertising affiliate programs. So we're quite pleased with the work that all the team has put into this to make this possible. So thanks to the team. Right, now then, I want to show you, if you are a free member, then use the free member tools. But if you are a pro member, please click the pro member tools. That's because there are limitations on the free member tools. Now, I know that's sad to hear from for our free members, but our pro members pay for the privilege of having better tools. Okay, you can do more with them, unlimited, and so on. Okay, so if you're a pro member, always use the pro member tool. So to do that, you just click on there, and there we have it. Okay, so we're loaded. Now, these are all the pro member tools. And don't forget what I said, they are unlimited on the autoresponder and so on and so forth. Okay, right, let's have a look. Now then, the banner generator is really, really, really becoming popular. Now, we're seeing these, as I say, all over the internet, and this is good. Now, our tools are in no way are they a finished product. In other words, they're always evolving into better, okay, into better tools. Now, Martin has been working his wonders again. I showed you this the other day because now on the borders, just on this simple one down here, let me just choose one. I'm just going to choose a template. So the pro members are getting more templates. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Now I'm just going to show you the border. Okay, you can either have it solid or dashed. Now for this to show, obviously you've got to choose a colour. Okay, and then you can either have it solid or you can have it dashed. Now I showed you that the other day. Okay, now if I alter that to say red, you can probably just about see that. Okay, so now we've got a red dashed border. That's what one of our members asked for, and now they've got it. Another tool that is added, or a tweak that is added. If you want to add a background image on yours, so all you need to do is click on there and you need to add the link, the URL to the image that you want to use in the background. Okay, now that has been there for quite some time, but not this next part. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm just going to left click on there and then right click over that and open this up in a new tab, because in the Pro Member Tools, right down the bottom, if memory serves me right, you've got royalty-free stock photos. So let us just click on there and do a search for, I'm going to do BEE beach, okay? Yeah, and then I'm going to click OK. It will come up with a number of images. Now, some of these images here you've got to pay for. This one, royalty-free images, is the one we're looking for. Now, I want something. I'm going to use this one. And what I'm going to do, because what you need to do usually on your capture pages and so on and so forth, you would need to click on this, and then you would need to download it and upload it to our free hosting, image hosting. But in this case, because it's just a banner, I can right click over the top and I can copy the image address because the image address will not be shown on the banner. Believe me. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to click on there, I'm going to click on there, and I'm going to put that URL. So I'm going to paste it in there and click OK. OK. So now what we've got is this gorgeous image in the background. Now this is what Martin has just added, because some images you need to tweak it, you need to make it go up and down. So what it's done, so if I do that, you can see that it's come down. Okay. Now I'm going to leave it at that. But obviously, if I'm going to use that, you can't see the text very well. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to alter the text. You can do that because you know what wording you need. I'm just going to alter the colour. So I'm just going to on there, drag that up to the top left hand corner, and now you can see that a lot better on this background. And the same for the bottom one. So let's click on there, and I'm just going to do that, and there we go. I don't know whether, let's have a look, see yellow will pop. So what I do is click about there and then come there and then, yeah, that's not too bad. So we'll keep it at that. Now you can do all sorts with this. As I say, you can add a dash red background, a border or whatever. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to alter this button colour. So what I'm going to do, I'm just clicking on there, and I'm just going to come to black, because that matches this young lady's, you call it a blouse, which is white, and the skirt, which is black. Okay, and I'm also going to make that go back to black. So I'm going to drag this little bubble down, and then I'm going to click outside the box, and that's better. Okay, now to download the image, you do this. So you click on there, and then you right click and save the image onto your PC. Now I always put mine on my desktop, and I'm going to call it banner. I'm going to call it banner 1. Okay, and click save. So that's that. Now, if you've got no image hosting, then you can use our image hosting. You find it under the tools, and there it is, free Babu image hosting, or build a biz online image hosting. So you left click there. Okay, you click on this little thing or drag it into here. I'm going to left click on there, and I'm coming down to banner 1, and I'm going to click open, and it's uploaded it already. Okay, now to get the image, you ignore all this, because this is, I don't know, I think I'm going to get Martin, see if he can remove all this. What you do is left click on it, it opens it up a little bit bigger. Okay, and then left click on it again, and then you'll see this. Right click on it, and you'll see there, look, copy image address. So what we can now do is open up a new tab. Let me move this up. See if I can move this up. Whoop. And then I'm going to paste it in there, and then I'm going to click on the link, and there it is. Okay, so now the image that you created, or the one that I just created, has now got an address online. This now can be added to whatever I wanted. My blog, my programs page, I could use it in advertising programs, because it has got a URL, an address online. So there we have it. Simples. So that is the update, and I'd like to say thank you very much for being members, and especially, I've got to say this, our pro members, because you finance Buildabizonline. That is why you're getting more tools, more advanced tools, unlimited, because you are paying to keep Buildabizonline online. Okay, we'll always have free members, and that's a good thing. But we need free members to come in and have a look at the videos. We need free members to come and try the tools, which you can do, free members. You can try our tools, the pro tools, for a full 15 days for $1. And you will see that offer as you log in to your members area. Okay, my friends? But the pro members, I'd like to say thank you very much for supporting Buildabizonline. You are loyal members, and some of you have been with us for the full 17 years that we've been operating. And I think they will agree, the pro members, that they have seen a lot of changes over the years. And it's become more and more advanced. As I say, Buildabizonline is always evolving better, not going backwards, better. And we're not altering the upgrade feeds either. Okay, we haven't done that. So that's good. So for $1, you can try the pro version. Okay, you can make as many images and banners as you want. And also, after that, you can upgrade to $10 to use this pro version, or $14 if you want the blog and if you want unlimited autoresponders. So Martin, I would like to thank you. I'd like to thank Martin as well for the work that he does on these generators. It's amazing. Another tool that people have been using a lot is our splash page builder, splash and capture page builder. This is amazing tool, an amazing tool. You can alter the backgrounds. You can put video backgrounds. You can alter the picture to whatever you want. You can alter the position of this box. You can have it dashed. You can have it dotted. You can have it round corners or not. You can do whatever you want. You can add a capture page form. Okay, you can do all that in this one program here at Buildabizonline. And this is another tool. The splash pages and the capture pages that people have built using this tool are amazing. I ought to have a competition. We ought to have a competition one day. But we're seeing them all over the affiliate marketing advertising programs. And so we'd like to say thank you. Thank you for using this fantastic program. Okay, so that's enough from me. That is the update that I wanted to give you, and just to keep in contact with you. If you need anything, if you want to, any tweaks, anything, just let us know. We will not know what you're thinking unless you reveal it to us, and then we can see what we can do. Okay, any tweaks to the tools, let us know. Any new tools that you can think of, then we'll try. Okay, my friends, we've got two programmers. We've got Martin, who is an HTML and other specialties, CSS and things like that, and also what else does he do? JavaScript and all that. Okay, and then we've got the programmer who does all the PHP work. Enough said. Too technical for me. Okay, my friends. So bye for now.